Welcome to 242 North Summit Avenue in Gaithersburg. How you doing? I am Chris Thompson. Let's go take a tour. Walk in on the main level. Great open space. Dining space. Kitchen peninsula. Granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. Off the front door, we have a coat closet, powder room, water heater, another coat closet. And we exit out into the garage. As we head upstairs, we have two great bedrooms over here. Walk-in closet. Large full bathroom, separate laundry room and storage space, bedroom number 3, with another large closet. To the other side is the master suite. Large walk-in closet. Additional closet and 4-piece master bath with dual sinks, separate shower, and soaking tub.